Hi beautifuls! It is a beautiful Saturday and you kind of already saw that we got our birria ramen and our birria tacos and our birria little mini pizza going. So basically, if you do not know, if you haven't already guessed, haven't already seen, we are currently in LA. Don't know me. Yes, I'm an SF native. I love my city, but I'm also a little knockoff LA girl, okay? I give off a lot of LA vibes if you know me in person. So I feel like I'm in my second home, and Disneyland is also my second home. So I basically just told my boyfriend all throughout this week, hey, I want a vacation. I want us to just disappear. I want us to go to my second home. And so here we are. So this little spontaneous day trip will be for us to basically relax. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. I sound a little congested just because my allergies are kicking my butt down here, and we sprayed a ton of Lysol. So that's also my throat and in my nose kicking my butt. Make sure you do like, subscribe, comment, have your post bell notifications turned on because you do not want to miss every time a video does drop, and they've been dropping every Monday about 6 p.m. Alright, so you guys will probably catch me at Downtown Disney, so I'll see you there. Let's see all the new stuff they have going on. So hi my loves, it is now about 9:13 p.m. I slept for like 6 hours, from like 2 to no lie about 8 p.m. Now is my normal hours to be awake. Thank God we just made it to Downtown Disney. We decided not to go to Disneyland today because Disney released their no mask policy as of the 17th, and I'm not comfortable with going to the parks yet and being around all that yet, so we decided to just go to Downtown Disney. The crowds should be at a minimum today or tonight. They close at 1 in the morning, but all the restaurants and everything starts closing at about 11 p.m. so we have a little time to have a little bit of fun. I want to go in, look at some new merch that may be out, possibly get my favorite milkshake, which comes from Black Tap. If not, we're also getting beignets today, and we still have to eat dinner. So we ate at like, what time did we eat at? 10, 11? Like at 11 in the morning, and it is like 9, so we almost haven't eaten for like 12 hours. So definitely got to get some food. Paying attention to a car that's backing out. Yeah, wow, walking on the side of the car. Let's check that first. Oh, Sprinkles is finally back open. I love that for y'all. I already have one, thank you. COVID everywhere, isn't it?
Got the bit.
You got the guts.
This one says morning rolls. I ain't tried this one yet.
Right.
Brown, medium, dark. I think Rainier got me this one.
Did you like it?
I didn't try it yet. Oh, they got the pumpkin spice.
Ooh.
Organic. I never tried that.
So we always get the French vanilla with Montage. We always get the French vanilla when we come here from Mickey's Coffee. He has his own brand. It is really good, you guys. I'm pretty sure the other ones are good too, but this is what we normally get. You see one? It's nice though. There's a table runner. Time around, guys. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. Oh, we love that.
You didn't get the Hunchback anymore.
No, but remember that's not the Hunchback one I saw.
Yeah.
They had, what's the name? Yeah.
She likes Disney, but I don't think she wants those.
Yeah, all this Christmas stuff is a little disrespectful. It's so early. What's the puzzle? It is 1,000 pieces. Oh, this is cool. It's like a game.
Look how disrespectful people are right here.
Yeah, we were gonna get beignets. Look at the goddamn line. Honey, I don't know anymore. What did you see? We didn't bother with Black Tap since we didn't eat for sure. You guys saw the beignets line, ridiculously long and curling around. We thought because Downtown Disney technically closes at 1 in the morning, but everything stops at like 11, that it would be more quiet. And I guess it was more poppin'. So joke's on us.
People that don't want the party to end.
Right, people did not want the party to end. And we wanted the party to just get started without people being invited. Damn, so we really missed out on our beignets and our milkshake. I'm gonna have to try to make this work before we leave tomorrow, y'all.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Y'all, this girl just told us Roscoe's ran out of chicken. Tonight is giving ghetto. What is this? We're going back to the Bay. LA is giving ghetto today, okay? How are you called Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles and you run out of chicken? What? Sweetheart, what? It's giving comical at this point. Okay, in at Disney, we didn't tell y'all, in at Disney, we saw some antics too. A mother was leaving her kid in the big crowd of people. Gave no F's about my little man.
No, for real. Like, she was zigzagging in and out of crowds with her baby stroller. And her baby, she had a 2-person stroller. She could have had both kids in that stroller, but instead one was walking. The other one was sitting in the stroller, but he wasn't even sitting inside the seat. He was sitting on the side where, like, the bars are. So he could have fell off too. And she was just going in and out with this little man hanging on the side, the little man behind trying to put his sweater on. She had no patience for him to put on a sweater, didn't try to help him put on a sweater, and then just ran off. And then, you know, kids are gonna be kids, so he was like, I'm putting the sweater on. Finally looks up, I'm looking at where the mom is and I'm looking at where the kid is the entire time. And then I'm seeing the kid finally put his sweater on and then start freaking out, panicking, like circling around like, where's mom?
Because the mom was so far ahead, not paying attention.
Right,
so basically he had to go reconnect the mom and the kid.
Right.
Y'all, it is not our night. We just left, what is this, IHOP? Sitting there for hella long, not being serviced. And it's super crowded. It's not even super crowded, I can't even say that. But it just got tiring not being serviced. So about to go figure out our third place to eat. I'm also debating on leaving tonight too, just to hit, oh my God. Look, look how close they park. And all these parks, I always wonder why people do that. It remind me of Mr. Pickle, somebody. We are at In-N-Out. Because everywhere else it was disappointing. So we went somewhere where we know the food should be good. We just placed our order with Raphael back there. You can't see him. Yeah, so we're gonna get our food and be happy. My eyes look red, I'm tired. We're debating if we want to go home tonight. But we really wanted to get egg slut, or I wanted to get egg slut and Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles, but I don't know how there's a guarantee there'll be chicken tomorrow, so I don't know what's going on. You tell me what? You sing your song. You don't have the camera going.
Why are you sitting on the clean bed?
Because we leave it anyway. All right, y'all. We just decided we're going to leave. It's like 1:11 in the morning.
You got the time right there.
Oh, I do. Oh, it's like 1:23 in the morning. It's like a 5-hour drive. So we decided we're going to go home. We're over it. So yeah, so we're about to pack and hit the road in a second. Come on, mister, I'm amazing.
I am amazing. You had a problem with it?
You're just having a whole song. Yeah, no idea I had the camera on. That's hella funny. It's coming out the bathroom out of your business, huh? You always be that one person all up in your business, even though I wasn't in your business.
You're just jealous.
Yeah, I'm about to heck a rapid test, y'all, because I was just like, just to be prepared. But we didn't do nothing, so thank God. Thank God we didn't go to Disneyland either, because, Disneyland is not the move. Let's speed up this video and pack together. Yeah. Y'all, my boyfriend just said whenever he watches movies like this and it's in black and white, he assumes everybody is dead. Hi beautifuls. So my background's looking like we're home, and we are home. It's about 7:44. We just made it home not that long ago. I am quickly probably gonna close out this video with you guys, but I wanted to show you guys what I got from Sephora really quickly. This is my cute little Sephora bag. You guys saw me go to Downtown Disney, so you kind of saw what I got, or saw me there at least. So I picked up my birthday gift. So at Sephora, my birthday month is March. This is what I got. I love Tatcha. I love this cream, the dewy cream. When I put that dewy cream on my face before my makeup, oh, the glow is phenomenal, sis. So I'm so happy I got this. I do need to invest in the big guy, but it's so pricey and I just didn't want to today. Also, I got my translucent powder, which is amazing for me, especially if I wear my black mask, because it keeps my makeup on my face all night long without smudging. So I got the Laura Mercier. I always get the translucent setting powder in the color Honey. I'll show you guys what it looks like really quickly. So this is that beautiful guy. You can't really see the color, sorry you guys, but my beautiful product. She's so pretty. Looks like this because I haven't opened it yet. You can kind of see it. I haven't opened it yet. So yeah, so those are my two gems. I do have to go to Ulta and stuff today too, and I do work tonight. I don't know if I'm calling off yet, just to unwind my body. I wanted to talk about something really quickly. It's probably gonna make me a little emotional. It's kind of scary. So again, this story is kind of scary. It's about us basically traveling home. So me and my boyfriend both work grave shifts, so we're both nocturnal souls, but I do like daytime too, which is why I'm excited the sun's out. But we are both nocturnal souls because we work grave shift. And so we were like, let's get on the road, let's go home. We always have moments when we're like in the middle of the night, hey, are we spending the night at this hotel or are we going home? We decided to go home. So we left probably like 1:30ish, 2 in the morning. I don't know what time I told you guys. And we were traveling on Highway 5. If you're not familiar, Highway 5 is the long highway that you basically take to get into LA, and then it is LA's prime highway, basically running all throughout Santa Ana, all that. But we were traveling on Highway 5. I was taking a nap in the passenger seat and Caleb was in the driver's seat. And basically Caleb described it as he was basically driving in fast lane and he was going around like a turn, like you know how freeways curve and do, you know. So he was going around a turn and he was like, this car's lights on the other side of the freeway, like in their fast lane, our fast lane, like you know, they're neck to neck traveling like this. We're traveling up. The other car would be traveling this way, but it's a bridge, like it's a wall between us, obviously. And he was like, like the lights on that car, like the high beams must be on or it's really bright, what the fudge. And so after they, I guess, both took a turn, he realized the car was in our lane. So it was a car, we were driving northbound and a car was driving southbound on the northbound freeway. So literally they were driving on the wrong side of the freeway, and had Caleb not swerved over so quickly, we would have been on a head-on collision, which is scary as hell. And I'm glad I was asleep because I'm not traumatized by it. I'm just sad by it. So I'm mostly sad because, one, I wouldn't know what the hell happened because I was asleep. So that's traumatizing. And I'm mostly sad for the person. I'm sad for, okay, one, I wouldn't know what happened. Two, I'm sad for the person. Three, it makes me angry and sad because what if families were like, let's beat the traffic, let's go home, we're taking our kids home from Disneyland. Like, you know what I mean? Alright. So I'm sad because of that. Well, I called 911 and reported it, but I'm happy that a lot of us reported it. So I'm very hopeful that they got the person, and he didn't hurt nobody, didn't hurt himself or her, whoever was driving. And they were in a black SUV. So I'm gonna look today to make sure in the news and all that they did get caught. Nothing crazy happened. I'm praying that nobody got hurt. Whenever we do hit the road and we're going on road trips, we always pray. We always pray there, always pray back. We pray for having the privilege to do last minute trips like this, trips in general, and always ask for traveling grace from God. We always do before we hit a long trip or anything. So just very blessed that God has covered us. But all for me to say, if you're on the road, just be careful, be alert, don't go too fast, just really be alert and pay attention to everything that's happening around you, because life is crazy and it flashes in front of your face in 5 seconds. I didn't mean to make this video so dull and sad as it ends. I'm not sure again if it's ending yet, but I might close it out. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. If I am, thank you for coming along with me on this journey, this quick, spontaneous trip. I love spontaneous trips. I'm an Aries, if you did not know, and we are very outgoing and adventurous, and we love spontaneous things. That's what we love. And so, yeah, you guys. Make sure you do like, subscribe, comment, have your post bell notifications turned on so you know every time that I post a banger video. Again, my name is Ashley if you are new to my channel. And as always, I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's have an amazing week. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.